I'm in Missouri right now. On another road trip, of course. I'm about to get my my favorite thing, and they got the new flavor, new little Arctic berry. Let's see if they got it. Oh my god, they just got me excited for nothing because they really don't have it. I guess I'm feeling. I get a little taste. A taste of watermelon. I'm feeling a little taste of watermelon. We in Branson, Missouri. Whoa, that was so cool. You ready to go cliff jumping, bud?
Yeah, dude, I'm fucking pumped, dude. Yeah, it says 30 feet, so that's not that bad.
You're not scared?
No.
But you should be. Yeah, we're about to go jump off this cliff. It is somewhere up here. Let's go find it.
Ryan Little.
Hell no, dude. But we should walk this.
Alright, so we found our cliff. You guys ready for this? Super dangerous. We gotta be careful. It's right here. I guess it's made about a couple hundred feet. I don't know if it's safe to jump off of. It's a long way down. We were literally looking up online. It says it's supposed to be like 30 feet. But instead we got this little fucking baby ass one. So I don't even know, to be honest. I don't think we cliff jumping today. Fucking spiders right there. Let's go. Yeah, this is close. Let me see, I think I can do it. I think you just like climb straight up and watch. Sorry. Oh, this looks tough. Hold on.
We can climb it over here.
Yeah, we could. I was seeing if there's like another. We're definitely right in Seal's backyard.
Huh?
That's crazy. This is right in their backyard.
Okay. Hey, that's a good drop.
Yeah, it's fucking high. That's fucking high.
I'm like kind of nervous about this, not
I'm really nervous. I'm so nervous.
because I can't see.
I can't see shit. I mean, you kind of could see the rocks. If you jump right there, I'm pretty sure you're good, but I'm a little nervous too.
Yeah.
Just because it's like nighttime and I don't know.
We should have got some goggles, dude, so we could see maybe a flashlight or something.
Oh, no, what should we do?
I don't know about this, dude.
Me either. Should we jump off that little lower part?
I don't know.
Because like I almost don't feel like getting wet almost too. That's like.
I know, right?
I don't wanna go unless you're going. Isolate, I'm sorry, I'm so late, I couldn't. I got plenty.
Alright, we kind of camped here for free last night, even though we weren't supposed to. I know you can't see shit, but that's why we're at 6 in the morning, we're leaving. We gotta sneak out before they come get us and give us a $500 ticket.